Welcome. Sounds in motion for S. Uppercase and lowercase almost look the same, don't they? It matches my shirt today. So for the sound in motion for S, you put your hands together in front of you and you just go straight out. The sound is S. Got it? All right, let's do it. And again, easy. It's like sliding out. Let's do that word. For sliding. Let's do the word sun. For sun. A boy's named Sam. For Sam. The day of the week, Saturday. For Saturday. And the next day of the week is, I heard you say Sunday. S is for Sunday. Let's do silly. S is for silly. So be super and practice some more if you're not sure about it. And come back to it if you forget.